What's going on, everyone? These are the Tusk rear shock reservoir bladders. Now this is exactly what you need to make sure that your shock is ready to hold that nitrogen after a rebuild. These things are awesome and they are a must-have component when you're servicing your shock. Now when it comes to shock rebuilds, Tusk has a ton of the parts that you need to make sure that your rebuild is a success. Not only that, but if you check out our channel, we've got walkthrough videos on making sure that you've got the steps that you need to take to rebuild that shock. When it comes to these bladders, this is made out of a quality OE style rubber and it's ready to hold that nitrogen in. When it comes to rebuilding your shock, this is a must replace item just like your shock seal itself. You can pick up all of those parts from Tusk on our website by clicking on the link below. And as always, if you're looking for your place to get ready, Rocky Mountain's the place to be. I'm Trent. Thanks so much for watching.